We are pleased to show you the 2021 Versa. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.